A school entrance has a triangular welcome canopy, A, B, C. The two sloping sides are equal, so A, B equals A, C. A support rope, AD, is attached from the top vertex A to a point D on the base BC. Angle BAD is 40 degrees, and angle DAC is 30 degrees. What is angle ADB? Pause the video and try this one. Here is a thinking tip. The two sloping sides being equal is a powerful clue. It tells you that two of the bottom angles must be equal. Let us draw it together while we solve. First, mark the top vertex, A. Now draw two equal sides going down, one to B on the left, one to C on the right. Add the small ticks to show that AB and AC are the same length. Close the triangle with the base BC. Now add the rope. AD goes from A down to a point D on the base BC. Mark the two top angles. The left piece, angle BAD, is 40 degrees. The right piece, angle DAC, is 30 degrees. Now we chain three facts. Fact 1. The whole top angle is the two pieces added together, so angle BAC is 40 plus 30, which is 70 degrees. Fact 2. The triangle is isosceles, so the two bottom angles must be equal. All three angles in a triangle add to 180, so the two bottom angles share 180 minus 70, which is 110, split in two. Each base angle is 55 degrees. In particular, angle ABD is 55 degrees. Fact 3. Now look at the smaller triangle on the left, triangle ABD. Its three angles also add to 180. We know two of them. Angle BAD is 40, and angle ABD is 55. So angle ADB is 180 minus 40 minus 55, which is 85 degrees. See what made this work. No picture was given. We read the words, drew each clue, and then chained three angle facts. Split the top angle. Use isosceles to find the base angles. Finish with the triangle sum, one after the other. This is the words to picture rule. If a problem gives no figure, read every clue and draw it. Equal sides become tick marks, angles become arcs, names become labels. Then chain the angle facts. Look for geometry problems described in words alone with no diagram on the page. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.